Chapter 12, Software 4. Instrumentation System. Software is pervasive in electronic products such as televisions, video recorders, remote controls, microwave ovens, sewing machines, and cloth washers all have embedded microcontrollers. Software accounts for 50 to 75% of a microcontroller project. General methods to improve software are code generation, reliability, maintainability, correctness. Types of software, selection and purchase. Types of software. Software is found in many different types of systems such as real-time control, data processing systems like payroll, and graphical systems such as games and CAD. Software can be divided into following types: system software, operating system, system drivers, firmware, etc. Programming software, compiler, debugger, interpreter, linker, text editor, etc. Application software, industrial/business automation, user interface, games/simulating software, database, image editing, AutoCAD, word processor, etc. Compiler vs interpreter, you know it. Process to develop software. 1. Algorithms. List of instructions or recipes for action. Algorithms describe the general actions to be taken and consequently are independent of the specific programming language. Algorithms have the greatest effect on the utility, success, and failure of software. Data structures provide another way of designing the processing architecture. Make a habit of collecting algorithms for your future programming efforts. When crisis hits, there will be no time for research. Understand each algorithm, its limitations, and its boundary conditions. Jack Gansel writes, "It's ludicrous that we software people reinvent the wheel with every project. Wise programmers make an ongoing effort to build an arsenal of tools for current and future project. Make an investment in collecting algorithms for future use. When a crisis hits, there is no time to begin research." 2 languages. Software has many applications within embedded systems such as firmware, peripheral interface, and drivers, operating system, user interface, application programs, etc. May use variety of languages: assembly language, high-level language, basic, C, C++, Java, etc. Difference, merits, and demerits, you know it. 3 methods. Whatever language you choose, your objective will be to reduce complexity and improve understanding of the software. Design architecture may be structured or object-oriented or case, computer-aided software engineering. Structured designs have strategy before starting to code, small modules with clear operational flow, easy debugging and testing. OOP can help by incorporating data abstractions, information hiding and modularity to aid structured design. Case tools provide blend of environment, tools, and language. Tools available are compilers, disassemblers, debuggers, emulators, monitors and logic analyzers. Operating system and software libraries ease the task. 4. Selection. The selection of a particular language depends on management directives, the knowledge and expertise of the software team, hardware and available tools. Function and performance depends on the speed and data path width of processor, memory, RAM and ROM, architectural features such as coprocessors, peripherals, ADC, timers, PWM, interrupt handlers, I/O communications, power down modes, and the level of integration. Choice of language also depends on manufacturers having following questions. Does the vendor provide reasonable documentation and support? Does it provide toll-free telephone support and acknowledge application engineers? Does it have liability support for life-critical systems? 5. Purchase the software after you have defined your software requirements and surveyed vendors for availability, reputation, and experience. Some qualification of a vendor, acceptance testing, review of vendor's quality assurance, verification testing, qualification report. Furthermore, required documentations from a vendor, requirement specification, interface specification, test plans, procedures, results, configuration management plan, hazard analysis. Don't buy cheap software tools just to save money. You will lose much more money in the long run from wasted time, forced